What is up, divas and divos? I'm going to help you do what I was just doing, and I was relaxing and making money at the same time with these websites that will pay you to do surveys. Yes, these websites will pay cash and or gift cards, okay? That's right, you can actually get paid for giving your opinion. And if you look at my comment section or pretty much any comment section on YouTube, you will see everybody has opinions. Why not get paid for it, right? Not only am I going to give you websites that I use that will actually pay you cash and or gift cards, but some of these are not just in the US. So if you are somebody that is in another country, you might want to pay attention to this video. So yes, we are going to get into these survey sites that pay cash and some to give gift cards too, right after this. All right, divas and divos. So I'm giving you the scoop on which survey sites I use to make money. Now, I'm telling you, I use all of these. You know, a lot of people don't even want to try them and then try to say, oh, they don't work. I'm telling you, I use all 5 of these. And I'm gonna let you know right now, I actually have way more in the bag. So make sure you comment down below if you want even more options. Let me know that you like this content, okay? But I want to give you all a reminder as well that when you sign up for these survey sites, make sure that you are being honest when you are giving your opinion, because they will sometimes throw in little slick things to say, oh, make sure you choose the 4th option or something like that. And that is making sure that you're actually reading the questions, all right? So make sure you are reading the questions, you're answering honestly, and you don't want to get booted off of a website that can actually get you free money, okay? So let's get into these 5, and I'm going to start it off with the OG, the first one I ever signed up with, and it is MyPoints. MyPoints doesn't just have an app, they have a website as well. But MyPoints is a way to earn cash and gift cards by answering surveys, by watching videos, scanning receipts, shopping online, all kinds of stuff. It is the OG, it is the very first survey site I ever signed up with. So I've been with MyPoints for a very long time, okay? So let me go into my phone and I'm actually going to show you MyPoints. So yes, you can answer surveys. There are a bunch of surveys in here for you to choose from. When you're ready to redeem, what? I got some points already. So I didn't even realize I had all these points in here. So as you can see, I have 2,397 points. Amazon gift cards are on sale right now. So I can spend 10 less points than I normally would. Yep, I'm going to cash out. I'm talking to you all to show you this is no joke. Going to email me my Apple gift card. It takes less than a week for me to get my gift card. So with MyPoints, you can cash out for gift cards, but one of the gift card options is actually PayPal. What is PayPal? Cash. Yes, they will put that money in your PayPal account. So that's the way you get cash from MyPoints, all right? Plus they have like, I believe over 85 different gift card options. So make sure you go through yourself, use my link below, check it out, and you will get a minimum of like 25 bonus points for signing up normally, depending on what you do. Sometimes they change it, so don't hold me on that, okay? But make sure, check out MyPoints yourself, because I'm telling you, I've been with them for many, many years for a reason. They are good. Now, let's move on to the second one, and that is Swagbucks. Now, Swagbucks is similar to MyPoints. It's a lot like MyPoints, as a matter of fact. And that's why a lot of times I will mention those two together. Because with Swagbucks, you don't just do surveys, you can do surveys. So if you're somebody that prefers to do surveys, feel free, have at it. But they also have many other options, just like MyPoints, where you can watch videos, play games, make certain purchases, and you get bonus points. Swagbucks, they're not just in an app, they also have a website. So you can use either one and have your fun. And when you gain enough points to cash out, you have the option of cashing out via PayPal. You can do a Visa gift card or a whole bunch of other gift cards. And I'm actually going to go in here real quick and show you all. Hold up, let me do my screen record, okay? So with Swagbucks, you can shop, do the rebates and get points for that. You can answer the questions. As you can see, there are many surveys in here because I hate when the survey sites don't have enough surveys for you to answer. But as you can see, there are plenty of surveys, okay? Also, again, you can watch advertising And you can even use their search browser and actually search the internet and gain points for that. So that is one of my favorite things. But another thing about Swagbucks is Swagbucks Live. Now it's a separate app, and I'm going to show that to you because it actually just popped up. So Swagbucks Live, I see there's a game tonight at 8 p.m. So yes, that's my point balance because it actually links up with your Swagbucks account. So I have 412 Swagbucks. You can actually cash out starting at 300 points. I think the smallest gift card I saw was. And that was like for Amazon gift card for $3. Okay, so yeah, I have enough to get me a little $3 Amazon gift card if I want, or there's several other options as well. But yeah, so you can answer questions on Swagbucks Live. It's like a little game show that you can hear through your phone and everything and actually play live and gain Swagbucks that way. So yes, I'm going to link Swagbucks and Swagbucks Live down below. Now the bonuses, they vary, but I'm telling you, Swagbucks is a really good one. I've gotten lots of PayPal money, gift cards, all that good stuff from these sites. So make sure you check them out. One I want to talk about is InboxDollars. So with InboxDollars, they don't just have surveys, but they have games and videos, just like the other ones I mentioned so far. And with them, you earn cash, and they will pay via PayPal, check, and they have gift cards such as Apple. They're popular for a reason, okay? So I'm going to show you InboxDollars real quick. Let me go into my account. So I'm in my InboxDollar account, and I have $22.93. So with InboxDollars, you can cash out at $30, okay? And like I said, you have options beyond surveys that you can do to earn money, all right? So when you're ready to cash out, you can cash out at $30. And as you can see, I am about $7.07 away, okay? But what I really like about InboxDollars is they give you a $5 bonus to sign up. So technically, you have to earn $25 once you sign up, okay? And they give you points if you refer family and friends as well. So like I always tell you, divas and divos, make sure you put your links on your social media accounts, your Facebook, your Instagram, all that stuff. Have people sign up, and that way you get more rewards faster. That's more money in your pocket. Do I need to say more? Number 4 is Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is another popular one, and they are popular for a reason. So you can answer surveys, and they will give you points that convert into cash. So they will put that money in your PayPal account. You can cash out at 500 points, which is $5. And when you use my link below, you get 25 points to start you off. And they have lots of surveys in there. So I'm going to show you in my account. As you can see, they have quite a few surveys, and they range from like around 10 minutes to over 30 minutes. And yeah, you can gain your points that way. So you could chill, eat some snacks, and make your money. So again, I'm going to link Survey Junkie down below. Check them out yourself and let me know what you think. Drop it down in the comments. So number 5 is branded surveys. A lot of people like branded surveys because they're very easy to use and you get your rewards pretty fast with them. Another thing that people like about branded surveys is they're not just in the US, they're in the UK and in Canada. So if you're not in the US, you might want to check them out as well. So with branded surveys, you have the option to cash out for money or for gift cards. So let's hop into my account real quick and let's head on over to branded surveys. So looking at my account, the payout options include BPay, branded pay, that's direct deposit. So you would get that money within 48 hours. That's a quick turnaround, okay? And they have lots of gift cards, including Amazon, Google Play, or you can donate. So how many of y'all will donate y'all points? And again, you can pay out starting at 1,000 points, that's $10. But when you use my link below, you will get started with a bonus 50 points right out the gate. Check my description box out and check out all of these options. And I just, once again, want to remind you all that when you are doing these surveys, make sure you're being honest. If that website or app lets you scan receipts, make sure you're scanning legit receipts, not changing dates or amount or none of that stuff. Because I'm gonna tell you, a lot of y'all, when I was talking about fetch rewards and scanning those receipts to get points, a lot of you all were telling me how fraudulent you guys really are. So I'm just letting you know, like, just be legit because you're going to end up getting kicked off of platforms and it's not worth it, okay? But let me know what you think about these options. And if you want me to do another video on this topic, make sure you let me know in the comments, because I don't know what you like if you don't tell me, you know what I mean? Or if you have any other content ideas, I would appreciate it if you would let me know that as well, because I'm trying to give you content that you want to see. I appreciate you all for watching. I hope you like those options I just gave. And like I said, I got plenty more in the can if you want me to do that video. But in the meantime, I'm ready to peace out on this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications if you are not yet a diva or a devo. And you will be notified when I drop a new video when you have those notifications on as well. So bam, I will see you all in that next video. See ya.
I used to treat you right. I used to be more like your life. Tell me, what did you run from? Tell me, why did you run from?